to the channel. Katonya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. Today I would like to show you how to do a squat so that you don't get injured. So the way I do it, it may be different for everyone because different bone structures and the way your hips are formed and so forth. But I keep my feet forward. They may go out a little bit. But the main thing you want to be sure not to do is have your knees buckle in. You want to get those knees open out so they're in line with your ankle. Then when you do your squat, we're not trying to get the knees past the toes. We're going to sit the tail back. So the way I do it, there's the fold here at the hip. The way I learned my squat is to put that hand right there at the fold, and that keeps the right alignment. It keeps the knees behind the toes, and it keeps your knees from buckling in. So right there. So let's practice this together. So the spacing of your legs, whether they're a little wider or a little closer, is up to you. Whatever's comfortable for your hips and your structure. You can bring your hands forward. There's a little curve in the back, natural curve, and go down as far as you're comfortable. You can get to those elbows. You can do that. Or you can get the hips more in line with the knees there. Or just a little squat if you're not used to them. You can do just a little one until you get stronger and stronger, till you can get down more and more. All right, I hope this helps you out greatly. And we now offer memberships. So head over to glorifiedbodiesfitness.com and check out the membership options and see all the benefits that are offered with your membership. And I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Be sure hit that like button and do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel if you enjoy. All right, ta-ta.